Those who swallow usury will not rise, except as someone driven mad by Satan's touch. That is because they say, commerce is like usury. But Allah has permitted commerce, and has forbidden usury. Whoever, on receiving advice from his Lord, refrains, may keep his past earnings, and his case rests with Allah. But whoever assumes, these are the dwellers of the fire, wherein they will abide forever. Allah condemns usury, and He blesses charities. Allah does not love any sinful ingrate. O you who believe! Fear Allah, and forego what remains of usury, if you are believers. If you do not, then take notice of a war by Allah and His Messenger. But if you repent, you may keep your capital, neither wronging, nor being wronged. O you who believe! Do not feed on usury, compounded over and over, and fear Allah, so that you may prosper. The usury you practice, seeking thereby to multiply people's wealth, will not multiply with Allah. But what you give in charity, desiring Allah's approval, these are the multipliers.